This footage captures a high-risk situation where a heavy-duty mobile crane suddenly loses its balance and tips over at a busy construction site. Workers positioned near the base of the equipment had to react instantly, narrowly escaping a serious incident as the massive machinery collapsed. This event serves as a critical reminder of the vital importance of verifying ground stability and ensuring proper load-weight calculations before any lift operation begins. Maintaining a safe worksite requires strict adherence to safety protocols to prevent such equipment failures. Safety takeaway: never stand within the crane's operating radius or swing zone while it is in use. It is essential to have a dedicated safety spotter on site to provide immediate warnings if any mechanical or structural shifts occur, ensuring everyone remains at a safe distance from potential hazards. This dramatic footage captures a high-stakes incident during a tilt wall construction project when a massive concrete panel and the hoisting system suddenly collapsed during installation. Workers on the ground were forced to move rapidly to clear the area as the heavy structure fell, creating a chaotic scene that highlights the inherent risks of structural failure and rigging errors in large-scale lifting operations. This event serves as a stark reminder of the dangers present in high-load environments and the necessity of precision. Safety takeaway: it is vital to strictly follow all temporary bracing protocols and ensure that every piece of lifting equipment meets certified technical standards. Maintaining a clear fall zone and conducting thorough pre-lift inspections are essential steps to protect the safety of the entire crew and prevent such hazardous equipment collapses on site. In this footage, a man is seen climbing to the top of a leaning palm tree on a crowded beach. As he reaches a significant height, the tree trunk suddenly snaps under the pressure and weight. The individual falls approximately 20 feet onto the sand below, followed closely by the severed portion of the tree. Upon impact, he remains motionless in a state of temporary unconsciousness. This clip serves as a sobering reminder of the dangers associated with high-risk activities. One should never climb tall trees, especially those leaning at extreme angles, as their natural structure may be weakened over time. Prioritizing personal safety over thrill-seeking is essential to preventing life-altering accidents. Engaging in such behavior in crowded areas puts both the individual and innocent bystanders at significant risk. In this video, a lifter attempts a heavy log press in a home gym setting, initially showing great control by cleaning the log to his chest. However, during the overhead press, the intense physical exertion leads to a loss of balance and a brief moment of lightheadedness. He falls backward, but luckily the equipment lands safely away from him. This incident serves as a vital safety reminder for the strength community. Training alone with heavy weights without a spotter or a power rack increases the risk of accidents. It is crucial to listen to your body, master breathing techniques to prevent dizziness, and ensure your environment has proper safety gear. Always prioritize stability and control over maximum weight to ensure every workout remains productive and safe for the long term. The footage captures a high-stakes moment inside a glass storage facility that serves as a powerful reminder of workplace safety. While a man is momentarily distracted, an unsecured stack of heavy glass panes begins a slow-motion collapse. Despite his efforts to brace the weight, the sheer momentum pins him against the wall, leaving him immobilized. This incident highlights critical safety lessons for industrial environments. Heavy materials must always be stored in L-racks or A-frames, with safety chains to prevent a domino effect. Maintaining situational awareness in crush zones is vital, as the force of leaning glass is impossible for one person to stop manually. This near miss is a serious warning to always utilize mechanical restraints and proper protocols. Safety supports are essential to preventing restricted movement and ensuring everyone returns home safely every day. This video captures an extremely hazardous method of unloading industrial gas cylinders from a truck, where workers bypassed safety equipment like forklifts to manually push heavy units off a high truck bed. Due to the significant weight and forceful impact upon landing, one cylinder suffered a critical failure, causing a sudden release of high pressure that propelled the unit uncontrollably at a terrifying speed. This incident caused extensive damage and posed a direct threat to everyone on site. To prevent such accidents, strict adherence to protocols is mandatory. Handling pressurized gas must involve mechanical aids and proper PPE. There must be zero tolerance for impact, as dropping cylinders can turn them into unguided projectiles. Comprehensive safety training is essential for all personnel to mitigate operational risks. The footage captures a critical safety incident involving two workers removing a heavy metal mold using a lifting hoist. Due to poor positioning within the line of fire and a lack of coordination, the heavy load suddenly swings out of control, striking one worker and knocking him to the floor. This highlights the extreme risks of working near suspended equipment. To stay safe, workers must always maintain a distance from the potential path of a load and never stand directly underneath it. Use taglines or specialized tools to guide bulky items rather than using your hands or body weight. Proper training and situational awareness regarding crush points are vital. This incident is a serious reminder that ignoring safety protocols can lead to severe injury. Following rules is your best defense. A serious workplace incident recently occurred on a production floor when a robotic arm malfunctioned, striking a worker in the back. Preliminary reports suggest the equipment experienced a sudden technical failure while the employee was performing tasks within the machine's operational radius. Following the impact, co-workers and emergency medical personnel responded immediately to provide on-site aid and transport the individual to a medical facility for urgent care. This event serves as a critical reminder of the vital importance of safety standards. To prevent such incidents, businesses must prioritize rigorous maintenance for automated systems and establish absolute safety zones between workers and machinery. Ultimately, even a momentary lapse or an unmonitored mechanical glitch can lead to devastating consequences. Vigilance remains the best defense against workplace hazards. A serious traffic incident occurred when a custom-built vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed lost control while navigating a turn, colliding with several motorcyclists stopped at an intersection. Due to the excessive velocity and the momentum of the heavy machinery, the operator was unable to react in time, resulting in a forceful impact that caused multiple injuries. Local bystanders immediately rushed to provide first aid and assisted in transporting the injured to a nearby medical facility for treatment. This event serves as a stark reminder of the critical importance of road safety and the hazards of operating uncertified vehicles that do not meet standard safety regulations. The key takeaway is the necessity for operators to maintain controlled speeds and the urgent need for stricter oversight on non-compliant vehicles to ensure the safety of the entire community. During operations at a manufacturing facility, a serious mechanical failure occurred when a large industrial arm malfunctioned and collapsed forward. Due to the sudden nature of the equipment failure, a male worker stationed nearby was struck by a long metal component that became lodged in his back. Immediately following the impact, co-workers rushed to stabilize the individual and contacted emergency responders to secure the machinery before medical transport. This incident serves as a critical warning regarding the necessity of maintaining safe distances from heavy automated equipment. It highlights a vital lesson for businesses to perform frequent inspections of hydraulic systems and safety locks. Establishing physical barriers between machinery operating zones and employee walkways is essential to prevent technical risks from causing severe physical harm to personnel.